we have Security Bank. Si Security Bank naman is known for relatively straightforward approval for entry-level cards. So ano yung entry-level credit cards? Ito yung mga credit cards na nagre-require lamang ng mababang annual income. Sometimes ito yung mga walang points and rewards earning feature na credit card. At kung minsan ito din yung mas mababa lang ang credit limit na binibigay ni bangko dito sa mga entry-level credit cards na ito. However, okay lang yan. Ang importante, ma-approve ka at makapag-umpisa kang mag-build ng iyong credit history and credit score. Kaya pag na-approve tayo sa entry-level credit card, huwag ka na magreklamo. Okay na yan. Tanggapin ko na for the meantime. Because once na na-approve naman ni bangko na maganda ang payment mo, you are marked to be a responsible credit card holder because nakikita ni bangko na monthly buo ang binabayad mo sa credit card mo and then hindi ka nagpa-pass due, hindi mo rin na ma-max out ang credit limit mo, eventually, they will be approving you with a higher credit limit.